Hey, welcome back to Copperhead Kustoms and a new episode. Today we're doing something different, of course. Today we're going to try to make the boss's Mercedes look cool. Okay, so this is meant to be the boss's Christmas present, but our tyres are not looking real cool. Okay, so she's going to have to get it early. Reaper. So anyway, this is what we've done. Oh yeah, we'll just show you that. Ooh, so we're going to fit them up, give it a quick wash, and that's about it. Let's see how we go. There it is. There it is. I don't know, it looks pretty cool, eh? It looks a bit different. So this used to be my car. I used to have run 22 AMG wheels on it, but they were horror to tow. This was my tow car, and I got this, my Beamer X5 V8, with the, ooh, check those suckers out, 325 on it. Anyway, and the boss loved this. So last year I gave it to her for Christmas, but I put the 19s on it. And this was her Christmas present last year. And well, this year I've gone and bought her some 20-inch AMG wheels. And you know what the sucky thing is? Because she's getting it 2 weeks early, means I've got to go and buy something freaking else. Anyway, so all we did, we just gave it a, put the wheels on, pumped them up, gave it a quick wash, and that's all this video is going to be. So this is a 07 Mercedes ML350. We've owned this quite a few years now. It's seriously, it's probably the best car I've ever owned. It is touch wood. It hasn't missed a beat. It's up to about 270, I think, kilometers now. I think it was at about 100 when we got it, and it's just it tows 3.5 ton. 3.5 ton you can put on this legally, and it is an absolute beast. Leather, luxury, all the mod cons in a comfy Merc that tows like a demon. And probably the headlights are due to be done again, but we haven't done a lot to it, as in we've done aircon, I think I've put shocks, brakes, and I service it regularly myself, and that's about it. Indestructible car, touch wood. So anyway, that's all we're doing. We just put these on it. Woo! Oh yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Go check out our other stuff. We've put some good ones out lately. So anyway, see you next time I'm looking at you. Reaper.